I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make subdivision animation in Blender, updated. Enable the subdivision surface modifier and place it above any deforming modifiers. Then keyframe the viewport level at your start frame and again at your end frame to animate the subdivision change. Preview at low viewport levels to keep interactivity. Then render with higher levels or use a multi-resolution modifier for sculpting and displacement to keep detail stable during animation. Start by right-clicking the subdivision modifier level and inserting keyframes at your chosen frames to control when subdivision ramps up or down. For performance, animate the viewport level low while setting a higher render level keyframe so previews stay fast but final frames look detailed. Use the graph editor to ease keyframes and reduce popping, and scrub the timeline to catch any geometry spikes before final render to ensure a clean, consistent animation. Thanks for watching so far, and if this tutorial helps you, please subscribe and like to support more content and quicker help in the future. Quick recommendation: bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker, which I use for timing animation sessions and mood music while I work. Check the description for the product link and other deals before moving on. Now let's get back to the video. When your animation needs sculpted or high-frequency detail, add a multi-resolution modifier or use shape keys to blend poses before ramping subdivision levels. This preserves nuance while preventing mesh popping as faces split and smooth. Consider baking simulation caches or exporting alembic files for heavy scenes so render nodes can read stable geometry without recalculating modifiers. Finally, preview renders at target settings and adjust keyframe timing so transitions feel natural and intentional.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.